Good morning, everyone. So today in our class we are going to solve the problems that are based on simple interest, the last topic of our chapter. First example, rupees 10,000 is investing. Invest means what? કોઈ કંપનીમાં એ લોકો ઇન્વેસ્ટ કરે એવું કંઈ કહે છે. Invested at 5% rate of interest. PA means per annum. Per annum means what? 1 year. Per annum નો meaning શું થાય છે? 1 year. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. What we have to find? We have to find the interest at the end of 1 year. So first we will write all the information from the sentence which are with us. The first one, rupees 10,000 is invested. So that is your principal. And what is your principal? 10,000 rupees. At what percent they are investing? 5%. So your rate of interest, that is equal to 5%. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. At the end of 1 year means what? End is given to you. Number of years, that is 1 year. Are you getting? What we have to find? We have to find R, interest. We have to find interest. So now, using that formula, I is equal to PRN upon 100. Replace all the value. P 10,000 multiplied by rate of interest 5 multiplied by number of year 1 upon 0 cancel 100 5 500 rupees. So what is your interest? I is equal to 500 rupees. જેટલું ક્વેશ્ચન માં માંગ્યું છે તેટલું આપણે કરવાનું. If you find amount, it will okay, no problem. You can also find the amount. Are you getting? Second one, rupees 6,050 is borrowed. Borrowed means that will be your principal, right? સમજ પડે છે ને principal કેવી રીતે પ્રેડિક્ટ કરવાનું. So your principal P is equal to 6,050 rupees at 6.1% rate of interest, that is capital R. What is capital R? 6.5%. That can be written as 65 upon 10 by removing the decimal, right? That will be 65 upon 10% per annum. Find the interest at the and the amount to be paid. See here, paid આવ્યું. To be paid. Paid means what? એને borrow કર્યું હશે તો જ એને paid કરવાનું. આ 500 rupees એને receive કર્યા. કેમ? એને amount invest કર્યું, deposit કર્યું છે એમ કહેવાય. સમજ પડે છે? So find the interest and the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. So what is your end time period? That is 3 years. Right? What we have to find? We have to find interest I as well as we have to find amount. Two things we have to find. Principal as well as interest as well as amount. So now, according to formula, I is equal to PRN upon 100. So which imply I is equal to, what is P? 6050 multiply by. Now directly we will write rate of interest as 65 upon 10. Idea આવે છે? હા, પેલું point remove કરીને લખ્યું છે. Multiply by number of years 3. Now 100 તો નીચે છે જ. 100 તો નીચે જ છે. Right? Cancel whatever you can. 0 0 cancel. Now I am not going to cancel anything. Simply jump કરી દેવા. Instead of dividing, the best નીચે 0 0 છે એટલા નંબર્સ હું જમ્પ કરી દેવા. Right? So 605 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Multiply by 65. Sure. 1 0. 6 5s are 30. Carry on. 3. 6 1s are 7 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 1s are 6. 7 8 9 10. Plus. Sure. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 6. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are plus 4 9. So 5 7 9 17 1 1. So which implies I is equal to 117,975 upon how many zero? The 2 jump. So that's 1179.75 rupees. So that will be the interest. That will be the interest, right? And amount is equal to P plus I. What is P? 6050 plus 1179.75. This is the whole number, right? And 6050.00. समझ पड़ा है क्या? Whenever we come across whole number, you can form it 0.00. 1179.75. So 5 7.9. 7 plus 5, that is 12. 1 2 6 plus 1 7. So that is equal to 7229.75 rupees. That will be your final answer. Are you getting how to solve that? Right? It is not necessary कि हमेशा हमारे पास complete whole number आवश्यक. Right? Sometimes there will be a decimal number also. कोई कौन नंबर आवश्यक? Decimal number આવશે. Why? Because we are talking about rupees. Rupees માં point આવી સર. Are you getting that? Next one. If Manoj pays an interest of rupees 750, શું પે કરે છે એ? interest pay કરે છે. કેટલું interest pay કરે છે? 750. So this is your interest given to you. આ તમને શું આપી દીધું છે? Interest for 2 years. That is your and on the sum of rupees 4500. Sum, that is your principal. Sum શું છે તમારું? Principal. કે આટલા amount ઉપર for this many years Manhar has to pay 750 interest, mean extra amount. Find the rate of interest. What we have to find? We have to find rate of interest, that is R. So here the given thing, principal, that is equal to 4500 rupees. Rate of interest that we have to find. बराबर ने? And that is 2 years, and interest is given to you. Interest is equal to 750 rupees. Now we are very familiar how to find rate of interest. So for that we have already written the formula. R, rate of interest, is equal to I multiply by 100 upon rate is over here. So what will be the denominator? P into N. Just replace the value. That is equal to I 750 multiply by 100 upon principal 4500 multiply by number of years 2. Start. 0 0 0 0. 2 1s are 2 5. 5 1s are 5 9s are. Sure. Then 3 25s are 3 3s are. Is there anything to cancel? So that will be 25 upon 3. That is equal to 25 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. How many remains? 1. 3 3s are how many remains? એટલે ગાડી ચાલે જ કરવાની. That is 8.3%. So what is the rate of interest? It will be 8.3%. સમજ પડે છે? સમજ પડે છે? Or if you want to write in this manner, that is 8 integer 1/3%. એ બી ચાલશે. ફ્રેક્શન ફોર્મમાં બી ચાલશે જો તમને તકલીફ પડતી હોય તો. રાઈટ? ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું? કાથી આવ્યું 8 integer 1/3? આ 8, આ 1 ને આ 3. On a certain sum. શું કીધું છે? On a certain sum. Certain means unknown. We are not familiar about the sum. The interest paid after 3 years is 450. So what is 450? Interest. કીધું છે. The interest paid is. So here I is equal to 450 rupees at rate is given to you for how many years?
3 years.
And is equal to 3 years. What we have to find? Principal. What we have to find? Principal, the sum. So now, what is the formula? P is equal to I multiplied by 100. Principal is there? R into N. So that is equal to I
450
multiplied by
100
upon rate 5 multiplied by 3. Shall cancel it out whatever you can. 3 1s are 3 1s are કર્યા ને 3 1s are 3 4 remains 3 5s are અને 0 again na 5 1s are 5 3s are 15 and 0. So therefore P is equal to 30 multiplied by 100. So therefore P is equal to 3000 rupees. So what will be the principal? 3000 rupees. Clear થાય છે? Right? એવું જરૂરી નથી. Next example. You have rupees 2400 in your account. તમારા પર account માં how many rupees are there? Rupees 2400 means it indicates us principal. This will indicate કરે છે principal. And the interest rate. Now the bank is providing how many percentage of interest? 5%. After how many years? After how many years would you earn rupees 240 as interest? Right? So let's write the things given to us. So what is given to you? Principal, that is 2400 rupees. Sure. Rate of interest 5%. Number of years that we have to find. બરાબર? તો બીજું શું આપ્યું છે? Interest, that is 240 rupees. Now again we are very familiar about the formula. What we have to find? N is equal to I multiply by upon 2400 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 चलो 0 0 cancel 24 ones are 24 tens are 5 ones are 5 twos are therefore n is equal to 2 years and કેટલા years માટે આપણે એ કરવાનું છે 2 years are you getting સમજ પડે છે ને